All right. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to implement a exponential backoff for Google APIs. And if you don't know what if you don't know what a exponential backoff mechanism is, it basically allows you to retry the API access because Google's API does have some limits, right? So once you hit those and you're starting to have more volume in terms of the API hits, especially to the Google API, whether it's Sheets, Docs, Maps, etc. I've created a set of nodes that allow you to use the backoff mechanism, the exponential backoff mechanism, so that it doesn't error out your workflow and it will continue to retry that access and keep going until it's hit a certain number of max retries, which in this case is set to 10, which, from my use of this mechanism, I've not hit that 10 max because what it does is it'll sort of increase the delay time in between each retry so that Google API is happy with the retries and it's not going to keep triggering um, that mechanism. All right. So it's pretty simple, straightforward. In this example, what I've done is I've created a loop that will hit the Google Sheets node, and all I'm doing is just, you know, this is an example. You can basically use any Google node here, whether it's Docs, Sheets, etc. And if it's a success, it'll just go back to the start of the loop, right? So here you see the success. Let me zoom in on that a bit. So here you can see if it's a success, it will go back to the loop. But if we've hit an error and, normally your workflow will just stop here. But what I've done within this example node is on error, I've told it to continue using the workflow and create a separate error output, right? So by doing that, then you start this exponential backoff mechanism. Here is the code that allows you to sort of achieve that mechanism, right? Then it'll set the wait time. And then if it has not reached its maximum retries, it'll go back and try to hit that Google API again. But if it has hit the maximum number of retries, then it will actually stop and error out, right? That's where the workflow will stop. But and again, in most cases, I have not hit that maximum retry. So this works pretty nicely. Google has some documentation around the exponential backoff. So if you want more details around that, you can look that up. But this set of 4 nodes, if you use it for any of your Google API nodes, Sheets, Docs, Maps, etc., then this will allow you to not stop the workflow and keep trying that API access. This workflow is available on my n8n creator page. I will put that link in the description. If you have any questions, let me know. Please like, follow, subscribe for more information on how to use n8n. My name is Alex, and I'm a AI native automation architect. Thanks for the watch. Bye-bye.